So that is the third position holder for 21-kilometer female is Valerie Ternia. Excuse my pronunciation with beat number 2775. 17 seconds.
1 hour 31 minutes 17 seconds. Sikenta live way minute.
A check of
Katnya second.
50,000 rupees.
Khatsan aja.
जुड़े हैं सब प्रैक्टिस वेंटेज साइकिल टीम आप लोग come on yeah
Yeah.
why don't you
Come on, bloody, come on.
पन्मुखर पर हाथ सपोर्टिला बेसी हो
Sikenta live way.
don't you think
Sender badba. Good.
yes so here is the third position holder Valerie Ternia
Balari Terniang.
can we have a huge round of applause for her Gustaki maaf अगर कुछ pronunciation में इधर-उधर हो the second position holder oh yeah please enjoy this moment of glory
Salam yang.
all right
Okay, second
Ajay, sir,
question.
please be here. And the second position holder is Sangmi Thangrongpi. Kardom. Okola Jule Kardom ko lage Kardom. Wonderful. So with beat number 2777, Sangmi Thangrongpi is the second position holder with time 1 hour 22 minutes 57 seconds. Jure Asapori. And she's winning a check of 20,000 rupees. जुड़े हाथ अपने जोर से guys. Thank you. Cheers.
Now,
And now the winner, the provisional winner for 21-kilometer female is. Any guess? Any guess, guys?
no.
All right. So with big number 2141, Shivani! She's recorded a time of 1 hour 26 seconds and 20 minutes. So Jure, hats up for Shivani. And she'll be getting a check of 35,000 rupees.
Shiva ki jawan.
Thank you so much, Shivani.
Wajar kenal tuh, Arfan Nazar.
Sana.
Level 10 stage. City Center.